Number 5 is LNL TL-D3 V2 Dual 3D Printer. The LNL TL-D3 V2 Dual BMG Extruder 3D Printer is among the most exciting and innovative 3D printers for under $1,000. Its cutting-edge features and top-notch performance make it a game-changer in 3D printing. One standout feature is its independent dual extruder design. Imagine printing in 2 different materials or creating stunning dual-color models effortlessly. Whether you want to duplicate a design or mirror it, this printer has you covered, allowing you to unleash your creativity like never before. Equipped with a 32-bit motherboard, this printer operates smoothly and efficiently. Not only does it support Wi-Fi connectivity, but it also lets you control the printer remotely through the internet. Say goodbye to manual adjustments and hello to convenient, hassle-free printing. Are you worried about unexpected interruptions? The TL-D3 V2 has you covered with its print recovery feature. Whether there's a power outage or a pause in material supply, the printer will automatically resume where it left off, saving you precious time and resources. It even allows you to customize the print height to fit your needs. So if you like this 3D printer, then check out the link in the description box to purchase it right now. That's all from us in today's video. We hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printers for under $1,000. If you want to purchase any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box to get them right now. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more awesome upcoming videos linked to printers.